A class action is simply this: it addresses a fraud that has been committed on a member of the general public, whatever that fraud may be. And to sound altruistic, we take pride in the fact that we do correct bad behavior on the part of entities who seem to be less and less moral these days or have conscience. Class action is brought by a lead plaintiff, the initially harmed consumer who may have been defrauded in some fashion, and they bring the case on behalf of other people named the class. And the reason it's a vehicle that's useful to the community is that often the damages for a particular individual might be, let's say, $50. And they could hardly pursue a case for $50. Economically, it would make no sense. So they bring it on behalf of themselves as the class representative and on behalf of the class, which may number thousands of people or hundreds, each of whom may have lost $50. So the total amount of the loss is usually quite enormous. And it suffices and helps the public because without the class action vehicle, nobody could really bring those cases. It just wouldn't work. If in the state of California you have purchased a product that didn't work as it was represented to, if you've worked for someone who didn't pay you for your labor, if you purchased an instrument which was defective and even caused you harm, or if you can think of anything as a consumer that you purchased and didn't do what it was supposed to do, then you should call our office. Our fees are based on recovery. It is without cost to you, regardless of the outcome. If we prevail, you'll be compensated and you'll have done a social service for the other persons who have similarly been harmed by the conduct that you complain of.